Good morning, students. So, in the last period, we had seen sum number 12, sum number 13 up till 15th of transaction that was related to fire. Now, the next is on 16th of, I think, July, both life insurance premium of Sun 450 and fire insurance premium of 550 paid by check. Right? So, when the payment is made by check or received by check, it means we have bank transaction, right? Life insurance premium is your personal expense, so it is a drawings. Fire insurance premium is your business related expense, so it is your business expense. So life insurance premium is drawing. Drawings is an expense for the business. Drawings account debit 450. Fire insurance premium account debit 550. To what is done? Payment is done by bank. So to bank account 1000. 450 plus 550 goes to 1000. I hope so. Yes. Again, I am repeating. Life insurance premium is a personal expense of the business. Owner. So it goes to drawings account. Drawings account debit 450. Fire insurance premium account 550, and to bank account 1000. Nirma company gave 30 number of soap free of cost as sample, which are sold for rupees 250. When it is just given as a free sample, we didn't take it as a non-economic transaction. But here we had sold them. So when we sold them, what we received? Cash. So cash account debit to sales account. Again I am repeating, cash account debit to sales account because we had sold it. जब भी मॉनेटरी ट्रांजैक्शन बीच में आता है तो वो इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन है. अब हमने उनको सेल किया तो व्हाट वी आर रिसीविंग कैश, तो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स अकाउंट, राइट. Received 100 from Rajshri for bad debts written off. See, in upstairs I think we had written as bad debts. Let me check. Yeah, you can see when that took place 300 which was due from Rajshri, and at that time also I had said you what I had said you, this transaction we are writing bad debts account debit to Rajshri's account. It means we are closing Rajshri's account. Now if she will repay to us, so we are not going to say Rajshri is a given, we'll say cash account debit because cash comes in to bad debts recovered account. What we are going to write? Cash account debit to bad debts recovered account. Bad debts recovered is your income. Right? Axis Bank has charged loan interest of rupees 250. Obviously, this interest is an expense. Interest account debit to bank account. It is debited from your bank only. So bank interest account debit to bank account 250 250. Paid 2000 for painting work for personal building and 1000 for painting work of shop. Right. So personal whatever your personal expenses, it goes to drawings account. So pay 2000 for, as I said, it is drawings account because personal building is there, business में कहीं पैसा नहीं लगा. 1000 for painting work of shop. So your journal entry goes like this: drawings account debit 2000, shop expense account debit 1000, to paid word है तो cash, to cash account 3000. Again I am repeating, painting personal building. Personal building says that it's drawings. Personal word says that it's a personal expense, not a business expense. So it goes to drawings. Drawings account debit 2000. Shop expense account debit 1000. To cash account 3000. Paid internet connection deposit 2000 by check. Paid by check. So basically it's a cash transaction but paid by check. So internet connection deposit account debit 2000 to bank account 2000. Again I am repeating, internet connection account debit, it's an expense 2000 to bank account 2000. Right, so we had completed sum number 13 and sum number, wait. Right, so I hope you all will complete up till here and you are maintaining the records what we are saying in the videos. Now let me see which illustration we have done. Okay, illustration we had seen. I think this is also done by us. The bad debts and bad debts recovered. See, let me give you again information about bad debts recovered and amount first bad debts, then bad debts recovered. To enhance the sales of business goods are sold on credit to customers. When customers become insolvent, their entire receivable amount or partial amount due from the customer cannot be recovered. Such non-recoverable amount is known as bad debt. Since bad debt is a loss of business, it is debited and respective customer who is unable to pay his due, the customer or debtor's account is credited and finally his account will be closed. That's why I said we'll close the account. See, Anil becomes insolvent, thus receivable amount from him 500 is to be returned off. In this case, by debiting bad debts account 500 and by crediting Anil's account 500, his account will be closed. That's why I say when you write a bad debts entry, the debtor's account is closed. Now, what is bad debt recovered? An amount written off in past if the customer or debtor return it back due to improvement in his financial or economic condition. This amount is known as bad debt recovered. Since bad debt return is a revenue for business, it is credited. As I said, it's an income, so it's revenue for business. Due to the receipt of cash, cash account is debited. In no circumstances, in no circumstances, debtor account is credited because you will say which a debtor is a given. Nahi. Because in the past, account of debtor is already closed. This is the reason we write cash account debit to bad debts recovered, as bad debt recovered is our income revenue. Is it clear? So illustration number 10 is your homework. I had explained you about bad debts and bad debts recovered also, so I don't think I need to explain you. As I said earlier, I'm going to explain to some illustration you have to do by yourself. Illustration 10 is your homework. Again, I am repeating. Illustration 10 is your homework. Now let us go to illustration number 11. Record the following transaction in journal of Sri Omkar Traders. So common entries you are going to solve by yourself, then only I will be able to complete the sum. A business is commenced with the introduction of cash, 60,000 furniture stock, all of this. A very common entry. First entry normally in exam first entry would be like this only. So solve it by yourself. It is close to capital. At the time of inaugural of shop paid ice cream other expenses 3,500. So paid. So miscellaneous expenses account debit to pay. Cash goes out 3,500. Open bank account, that also I had explained you. So the transaction that I am going to take, that is to be solved by you. I am not going to solve it. कॉमन एंट्री है, आपको आनी चाहिए. देखो हमको आता है या नहीं. नहीं आता है, डाउट है, पूछो टीचर मुझे ये समझ में नहीं है, आई विल आस्क हेल्प यू. Electronic weighing machine purchase for 4,000. Remember in the sum of the illustration we had said dead stock. So it comes in. So dead stock account debit to cash account 4,000. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन इज टर्म्ड एज डेड स्टॉक. जो हम वेइंग मशीन से या वेइंग रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स बाय करते हैं उनको हम डेड स्टॉक कहते हैं. सो आप उसको लिखेंगे डेड स्टॉक अकाउंट डेबिट टू परचेज अकाउंट. सो लेट अस सी दिस इलस्ट्रेशन व्हाट दे हैड डन. Yes, see, dead stock. Electronic weighing machine of 4,000 is purchased. Purchase word आ रहा है तो purchase account नहीं आएगा. Why it will not come? Because we had not purchased it as a goods. We had purchased it as our requirement. Right? So the transaction that I am solving, I am making a star. So when you have a doubt, you can say, yes, teacher had explained me. Right? So this is explained by me. Electronic weighing machine is termed as dead stock. Machine of 5,000 is purchased from Nauka Traders and paid machine installation charges. So machine account debit 5,500 to Nauka Traders, to cash goes out 500. Now what is your transaction of illustration? You can show installation charges separately also. Right? We are following one pattern. Right? See, machine account debit 5,500. Okay. To Nauka Traders 5,000, to cash account 500. Is it clear? So we had seen this also. Okay, so this is done by us. Then goods of 10,000 are purchased from Shivam Traders at 10% rate discount and 50 rupees paid for carriage. So this is done by us. You can see in this transaction also. House rent paid 7,000 and life insurance premium paid by check. House rent means personal expense. So one is drawing, one is, both are drawings. So drawings account debit 8,200 to bank account 8,200. Goods of 5,000 sold to Akash Traders at 10% rate discount and 10% cash discount will be allowed if paid in 10 days. So only in this transaction trade discount is given. So this transaction also can be solved by you. Akash Trader paid half amount by check for the transaction dated 12th. Half of the transaction, half amount by check for the transaction dated 12th. So the transaction was on 12th and within 10 days if we pays, we will get 10% cash discount. So 5,000 का 10% was 4,500 हमारा entry was like this, sold है ना. Okay, Akash Traders account debit 4,500 to sales account हमने entry की, उसका आधा हुआ 2250. So 2250 पे आप 10% कैश डिस्काउंट दोगे as it is an expense for you. So I think the answer is 2005. 2250 minus 225. 2005. That is bank has given check. Okay, bank account debit 2005. Discount account debit 225. No, 2025. Sorry. Right. So देखो 2025 आया. Bank account debit 2025. Discount account debit 225. To Akash Traders 2250. Right. Akash Traders return back goods of rupees 700. When we are getting return goods, so it's a sales return. Sales return account debit to Akash Traders account. 2000 withdrawn from bank for shop expense. Right. So cash account debit to bank account. If something is mentioned, so your entry goes like this. 2000 withdrawn from bank, so cash account debit to bank account debit to bank account 2000. Goods of 6000 purchased from Amar Traders at 10% rate discount and 5% cash discount. Half of the amount is paid in cash. So these entries you are going to solve by yourself. And students, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Teacher मुझे नहीं है, and don't go and see the answer. It will be helpful. देखो, solve करो, read करके, and then check it where is my mistake. And if you are not able to understand, ask me. Goods worth rupees 500 is donated to Mahila Vikas Gram. So donated word is given donation account debit to goods goes out other than sales means to purchase. So to purchase account 500. Goods of 150 is distributed as free sample. When it is done as a free sample, it's an advertisement. Advertisement expense account debit 150 to purchase account 150. An order is issued to Vikas agency for goods of rupees 3000. An order is issued means it's a non-economic transaction. Students, pay attention over here. I'm always saying you need to write this. Now see how we are going to write in the transaction. See, non 26th of your July, June, whatever the month is, they had said it as a non-economic transaction. अगर आपने डेट और ये नहीं लिखा है, आपका मार्क 0 हो जाएगा. Right? So you need to write date also and non-economic transaction also. If you leave it for me, I'll take your marks. I'm clearly mentioning in the videos. So don't say, teacher, we don't know or we were not knowing. Right? So going to the our question. Right? The business owner has withdrawn goods of 2000 and paid tuition fees of son 800 for business. So both are drawing. Combine them. Drawing account debit 2800 to purchase account 2000 sorry, and to cash account 800. Combine करके drawings करना है. और गुड्स गए हैं तो टू परचेज और कैश पे किया है तो टू कैश 800. Interest of 3 months paid on 8% loan of Pragna that has taken in the beginning of the transaction. See, 8% loan, 20,000 into 8% into 3 divided by 12. So your answer is 8,000 loan is that for 8 person. The 20,000 loan is there. That goes to 400. Maybe I'm not having calculator. Let me check. Okay, 400. Interest on loan account debit to cash account 400, paying 8% interest of loan for 3 months given to Ratna. So we had completed illustration 11th also and up till sum number 13th also. So if illustration number 10 was your homework and illustration number 12 is your again homework. So whatever your doubts are, just ask me, so I'll solve it. Okay, so your homework is illustration number 10, illustration number 12. Is it clear? I'm stopping over here.